And this is how it should be looking like. Super good, look at this. Oh, we can see some whale shape. Alright, add the stitch marker. Now we will start adding the fins. Okay, the back fin will make the tail from the whale, and we will crochet this together. So how does that work? You have 4 stitches from the fin, right? So you will crochet 4 stitches together with the body. So I will put the fin here, and I will crochet together 4 stitches here. So now we will go slow because I wanted to show you very well how to make this. So you see, you grab 1 stitch from the fin, 1 stitch from the body, and you make 1 single crochet here. Alright, 1 stitch from the fin, 1 from the body, another single crochet. 1 stitch from the fin, 1 from the body, another single crochet, and the last one, the 4th one, stitch from the fin, stitch from the body, and 1 single crochet. So you have 4 single crochet here, right? I will just move this tail here so I can crochet over it. Great, so now you will crochet together the other fin, and this will make the tail of the whale. Tail of the whale. Great, so again, 1 stitch from the fin, 1 from the body. So just find here and make sure that you are grabbing 1 stitch, like you're not eating 1 stitch up. Okay, so now you'll crochet together the other fin, making the same thing, and then you will crochet 10 single crochet normally. Alright, so here you have the 10 single crochet, and now you will add the side fins. So again, you will make the same thing. You will take 1 stitch from the fin and 1 stitch from the body. But this time you have just 3 stitches, right? Which is the side fins, just 3 stitches. So you'll take 3 stitches from the fin, and then you will crochet 20 single crochet without anything. Okay, and I will catch you up once you finish this round. Alright, so here we have all the fins are on its place. Now I'll just take off here. I'm at the end of the round, and I will make my single crochet. But now I will change the color. So you change to your second color that you chose, and we will make here for round 19 54 back loop slip stitch. Okay, so just back loop slip stitch here, because we will start the repetitions here with this new color, and I want to make a straight nice line here dividing the colors. So that's why we are doing the back loop here. Great, so you can look at this, it's already looking like a whale. That's nice. Now we move on for round 20, and here you work only in the back loop of the stitch. So you will make 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you repeat 6 times. So from here on we will decrease 6 stitches round per round. So let me just move here all the 7 stitches. Great. And now you will work the invisible decrease. You can work the invisible decrease even though you're working on the back loop. So you just take the back loop of the stitches and you make the invisible decrease. Maybe a little bit hard to pass through the yarn, but it's fine. And you have the invisible decrease on the back loop, and you continue having this nice line. So stop the video here, make this round, and I will catch you up at the end. So this is looking very nice. Now here we'll continue the repetitions normally, like grabbing the full stitch. So for round 21 you'll make 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and here in crochet toys I always make the invisible decrease, which is basically when you grab just the back, the front loop of the stitch, like here what I'm doing now. There is a complete tutorial showing you how to make the invisible decrease in the description below, if you wish to check that out, but you can see pretty well here in the video. Alright, so now let's move on and make 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. So here again, we'll start with the repetitions until we have 12 stitches on our last round, okay? So as always, I make the first repetition here with you, so my decrease, and I will catch you up. Great. Now let's move on for round 23. Here you'll make 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round. Alright? So let's go the first repetition together. 4th and decrease. Great. I will catch you up at the end. Okay. Now you will make 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. We are almost done. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, and my decrease. Alright, you can stop the video here and catch me up for next round. Okay, so now let's move on for round 25. You will make 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you repeat that for 6 times, alright? You should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. Super good. I will catch you up at the end, so we will start stuffing this whale. Great. Now you organize a little bit and start adding the stuffing material. I like my toys very firm, so I add a lot of stuffing material. You add as much as you like. And here we have, I will add here my stitch marker, and we will move on for our last round, round number 26. Here you'll make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and we'll stop when we have 12 stitches left, okay? Alright, so you make all the way around this repetition, and I will catch you up for fastening off. Super good. Here what you do is you grab the front loop of all the stitches and you pull it tight. There is a link in the description below showing you how I fasten off my crochet toys, but basically that's it. You cut the yarn and you grab the front loop of all the 12 stitches. Okay, this is looking very nice. And let's see. Look at this whale. Alright, now we'll start crocheting the eyes, okay? So for the eyes, you will crochet in the magic ring 6 single crochet. If you're using the safety eyes, there is a link in the description below that will take you to the written pattern where I tell you the exact position where I add the eyes, okay? In this case, I'm just crocheting here right now and I'm seeing where is the best position for the eye. Okay, close your magic circle and join with the slip stitch. When you are joining with the slip stitch, you will make a color change here. I will make a color change with this second color yarn that I'm using. And you will work here 6 back loop slip stitch. Okay, here I just tell you to make sure that your slip stitch is not very tight, because the slip stitch tends to be with the tension more tough. So make sure that you have space here so your slip stitch will not tighten up the 6 stitches that we just crocheted, okay? So make it very loose here and join with a slip stitch. Now I'll just cut this and make a simple knot. Great. Just a normal knot, it's fine because you will sew it, so it's not going to be seen. You don't need to hide this yarn. Just make a simple knot and cut it. That's very nice. I will just bring this tail to the back of this slip stitch here. Great. And now we will make another one following the same instructions, all right? Ta-da! Good. So here I use pins to fasten the eyes while I'm sewing it on the whale. And I will just show you here how I sew this eyes so the circle remains nice with this contour around the black part, okay? So first here you take one stitch from the body and then you will bring the yarn up inside the slip stitch. Okay? And you bring the yarn down inside the stitch, the slip stitch next to the stitch you just put it up. Great. And now you grab one stitch from the body. Okay, so that's it. Super easy. This is how you're gonna make. Bring the yarn up inside the slip stitch. Make sure to take just the slip stitch. Okay, not the black parts of the eyes. And one stitch from the body. You make this all the way around and I will come back here with you once I finish crocheting, sewing it both of the eyes so we can give some light. Some life and light also to these eyes, okay? All right, so here we have. Now I just want to make some small detail into this black, so I take a piece of white yarn. I secure by making a simple knot at the end of this yarn, and I will bring it here into the division of into the edge of the two colors. So now here you make two lines on the top right corner of the black part. And bring this yarn down to the left down corner of the black part. And here I will make this shape here. So we'll make a half circle. Alright, and that's it. I will repeat this in the next eye. And here we have. Ta-da! Super good. That's very nice. Your whale is done. I hope you enjoyed this pattern and I see you in the next one. Bye!